Hi guys and welcome here. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you all tips to make tough subjects easy and fun for kids. Let's start. I was getting a lot of questions regarding like their kids were writing before. Few months back they were writing alphabets and number, but now they are not showing any interest. It happens with so many kids because they go through a lot of hormonal changes in their body. They go through transitions in which they do not enjoy writing anymore. Sometimes they do not enjoy coloring anymore or doing what they used to love. So it is completely normal. What you have to understand that kids do not enjoy writing too much when they are in the early childhood. I mean, when kids are under 6 years old, you do not have to pressurize them to write because their palm muscle is still developing. And if you force them to write when they are not interested or when their hands are just too tired, they eventually lose interest from writing. So what I would recommend you to give them break. And few months back I had also made a video on the homeschooling mistakes that you should avoid if you have young kids at home. Be sure to check out that video. It will give you a lot of ideas because we as a homeschooling moms or parents, we do a lot of mistakes because we are not teachers, we are just homeschooling parents, and I'm sure you will get help from that video. Now the question will arise, if your child is not interested in writing, then what you can teach? So I would recommend you to teach them oral things and teach them topics through the hands-on activities. So in the oral learning you can teach a lot of things, and that comes in the circle time topic. So what is circle time and how you can change the topics, what are the things that you can teach to your kids in the circle time is another very big topic which I have covered in a very specific video. You will get help from that video as well. I'll put the link in the description box of all the videos that I'm mentioning over here. The second thing that you can do is, instead of giving them boring worksheet of GK and science, I would recommend you to give them hands-on activities, because hands-on activities not only keeps them busy, but it is a fun and easy way for them to learn and explore. There's no doubt kids love to explore and they love to learn about planet and earth and nature and all those animals and birds and all those stuff. But if we just give them worksheets or oral learning through the chart, they get bored because nobody likes to just stare at the things and learn through that. But if you provide them the hands-on activities, they put so much effort in solving those, they love to explore and they love to learn about it. I'll provide the link in the description box of the 6 hands-on activities that you can teach to your kids, and also the links there from where you can get all those. Number 3, when it comes to mathematics with the young kids, I would recommend you to use manipulative as much as possible in every single other topics that you are teaching. When it comes to odd or even, when it comes to a bigger or a smaller number, when it comes to addition or subtraction, you can use manipulatives. And I have made tons of videos on how you can teach those topics earlier, and if you want to check out those, you can check out the homeschooling playlist. You can teach a lot of logical concept just through those manipulatives and using tanagram at home. It is much easier for kids to understand and also parents to teach them and parents to explain them. So instead of just using worksheets, instead of just using whiteboards and blackboards, I would recommend you to go with the manipulatives, because when they do the practical stuff and then they do the writing practice sheets of those mathematical concept they have learned, it is much easier for them to solve the problems. Number 4 is a tip for parents, those who have little older kids, because sometimes we as a parent start saying from very young age to our kids like, math is a scoring subject but it is tough and complicated. But we have to understand it doesn't have to be like that, because parents like me, those who were not good enough in maths growing up, those who did not enjoy mathematics growing up in their school, that doesn't mean that our child has to go through all those. Maybe our child like to do mathematics, maybe they are interested, but when we do start saying these kind of words, it get just stuck in their mind like math is a boring subject or tough subject from the starting. So instead of trying it, instead of experiencing it, they just get stuck with the feeling like this is not the subject for them. I truly believe that mathematics is a very high scoring subject and easy if the basics of it are very clear to kids from the very young age. The last point is all about teaching kids geography, history and all those subjects, because yes, definitely they love to do manipulatives, they love to do hands-on activities. When it comes to science or social science subjects, I would highly recommend you to do the same kind of fun activities. For For example, for geography and history, you can do a group reading or group discussions, or where you can just have 3 to 4 kids at home. They can read one page at a time and they can explain to each other what they have learned. This way it get really fixed in their mind. Second thing, you can do the baking or the cooking of the particular countries. For example, if you are teaching about different countries to your kids of particular continent, then you can start cooking, just bake one or cook one dish from that country. That can really help out to memorize about that particular country. Not only the name of the country, they can learn about the culture and the food and all those fun things. They can also make a scrapbook of geography or history or these kind of subjects, and in that scrapbook they can use 3 to 4 pages for particular topic, where they can attach the pictures, they can write few points, they can write whatever that comes in their mind. If they have collected something from that particular country or state or whatever, they can store it in the scrapbooks. This way it is not only fun but also learning. So try this with young kids. I really hope they will enjoy, because I really wish I had this kind of education system. I wish I had very fun teachers growing up for these kind of subjects, because history, geography, they are fun now. I love to learn about different countries. I love to Google about different countries, but when I was growing up, I used to hate those subjects so much. So these are the tips that came in my mind to share with you guys. And if you have any other suggestions or interesting thing that we can do inside home, be sure to write me in the comment section, because not only me, a lot of parents do read the comment sections and they will get the idea from you as well. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found me through this video, I am Pragya. I make videos related to lifestyle, parenting and motherhood and homeschooling and everything and anything between that. So if you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon and give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family and all those things that all the YouTubers says. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.